Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create account on Telegram. The process is really simple. Simply go and open Play Store. After that, type here Telegram. Then tap on install and wait for installing. The Telegram has been installed, then open it. After that, tap on start messaging. Then tap on continue. Tap on allow. Confirm your country code and enter your phone number. And tap on this below arrow. Tap on continue. Tap on allow. Wait for connecting. Then tap on OK and tap on continue. Tap on allow. You can see your account has been created. So this was the process by which you can create account on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.